Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Miss Jiang. As I promised in last video, today I'm going to show you how to make lard at home. A piece of fat pork belly that you can find in any grocery store. First cut it into half, then take off the skin. Then take out the lean part. Let's cut the pork fat into smaller pieces. Dividing the fat into smaller pieces will help speeding up the processing of extracting the lard while cooking. I would suggest you use a wok or a saucepan, but not a flat cooking pan. Add in the pork fat, add in enough water that allow the pork fat merging in the water. Here I used half pound of the pork fat and half cup of the water. Cook on the high heat. The water allows us to control the temperature to preventing burning. In the meantime, will help to break down the fat cells, separate the impurity, help to achieve a more cleaner and flavorful taste. Now we just let the pork fat to cook on the high heat. Once the water evaporated, the lard will start to releasing from the pork fat. Once the lard starts releasing, turn down the heat to medium-high to preventing burning. In the meantime, use a steel spatula or a spoon to continue to help the pork fat or evenly heat it up. Once the floating remaining turn to golden brown with a crispy texture, we take the remaining out. Then what left in the wok are the lard that we're expecting. The pig fat remaining are great ingredients to make with any vegetable stir fry. Once the lard cool down, we'll present this creamy looking. Lard is a great ingredient that help you to achieve a rich and savory taste of any dish that you're cooking. The printable recipe is in the description. If you like the video I shared today, feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.